Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in Atlanta, we are going to show you in season of fall, we are seeing lot many leaves which are falling on road and within our society also. So we will show you how people take good care of them, how we maintain the society. You can see now the leaves are turning red, yellow, and different colors. Now they look pretty nice, but when they fall on road, they start making things little messy. We want to make sure that roads are always clean and they're not so dirty. Today, when we went out for cycling with Shumash, we were surprised to see there were no leaves on the road. Everything was so neat and clean. So we started observing like how in USA people clean the roads, and we saw this truck which was carrying very heavy equipment. We started observing it, and you can see it's having a lot many things mounted on it. We started seeing like how they clean the roads, and by luck we saw these people cleaning the roads. They were doing great job of cleaning the road. They were maintaining the landscapes. They were using the leaf blowers to clean the road. They were moving the leaves from road to the grass, and from grass they were actually accumulating them on one constant place, and from there they were lifting them and throwing them away. This was pretty great experience to see, these coordinated uh, leaf blower movements, how they were making sure that none of the leaves were left on the road, and we are having the cleanest roads possible. Heads up to these guys for the hard work that they are doing. We came inside our apartment, and here also we were able to see like lot many people were cleaning the society using these similar leaf blowers. You can see we are having lot many interesting colors of fall. Thanks to such great workers, we are able to see our society always clean, well maintained. There are no garbage lying around. I'm thankful that these laborers are putting so much work to this.